is Maddie. I'm a Thermomix independent consultant, and today we will prepare Dulce de Leche ice cream. I like to make this video because I like to show you how we can cook healthy, save time, save money, and be creative with a Thermomix. Let's get to work. The first step is going to insert the butterfly whisk. The butterfly whisk get inserted this way on top of the blade. The next step, we will add 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Okay, as you can see, when I add the ingredients, the Thermomix has a built-in scale, so I'm measuring. I'm weighing the whipping cream while adding it, and I know when to stop. And 10.5 ounces of Dulce de Leche. It's from this Dulce de Leche from a can. Perfect, that's 10.5. Let's save the rest for later. Lid, measuring cup, and now we're going to whip at speed 3.5. I will let it whip for about a minute. Let's see. Now it's 1 minute and 44 seconds. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it's almost ready. We will check. It's good density. See what's the next step. We have to add a half teaspoon of sea salt, which was in here, and the rest of the Dulce de Leche, whatever was left over. Cup back here. And the lid. Next, speed 3. We are going to remove the butterfly whisk. Dulce de Leche ice cream is ready, and we will put it into a pan. And the next step, it will be to put him in the freezer for 6 hours, and then it will be ready to be eaten. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate, and if you like my video, please follow me on YouTube.